Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video we're going to show you how to hook up your worn plow to the front of your Suzuki King Quad. But before I get into this, remember to like the video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell when you subscribe. If you ring the bell, you'll get all of a notification of all of our uploads. And if you have a question, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. So in this video, what I'm going to show you is how to attach your worn plow to the front of your Suzuki King Quad. I bought this quad with this setup already on it. I did not install it, so that's what this video is for. If you happen to purchase a King Quad with the worn setup on it, you're not sure how it goes together, this video will show you how to connect everything up. Or if you bought one last year and you forgot how the heck does this all loop together. Sometimes you need a reminder, so check out the video, grab some popcorn or a beer, and I'll show you how to do it. And you'll say, oh yeah, I remember that. And it's time to go bust some snow, right? All right, let's get into this. So what I did, what I found more easy, is to put the plow on like a pallet, a small pallet, and that way there it brings it up to a height that you can kind of more easily maneuver the plow around and line up the ears with the brackets that are on the front of my King Quad. So what I did is I keep my plow inside the Harbor Freight garage. It's a temporary garage. It's pretty short money, and it keeps it out of the weather. I can pull in here if I know there's a storm coming with the four-wheeler and hook it up real quick, which I'll demonstrate in a minute. So let's get this four-wheeler fired up, and I'll pull it forward and we'll attach the plow to it. So to attach the plow, there should be 3 of these quick release pins, and I'll show you how they go on. You might need to slide the plow around a little bit, get it in line. And then you can see there's a hole right here. So usually I'll put so you want to line the hole up. There's a hole right here on this ear. Line it up with the plow hole. So once you have it aligned, this clip right here, it doesn't go like that. There's a little notch on the back. Let me see if I can get the camera in there. So right there, you can see it. So it's right around the back. So you're gonna swing up the pin, and this will lock right in to a little snap. There you go. So that's what you want it to look like. You want it to be secure just like that. And let's go around to the other side. So on the other side, do the same thing. Gonna line up the pin with the ear and the hole on the bracket on the plow, and go around the back and snap it right onto that tab. Just like that. Give a little tug, make sure it's secure. And now we can hook up the winch. So on the winch, you can start the four-wheeler. Let some of the cable out a little bit. Shut it off. And then on the winch, you should be able to like unlock it and then pull the cable out by hand so you can connect it to the front of the plow. The back of the plow. So to hook up the winch, on the base of the plow there's a little plastic piece that swings up, and you're going to want to wrap the winch under it just like that. There's a notch right here. Make sure you have enough slack. And push it down. Connect the front of the winch right there to the plow. And then what you need to do is you have some slack. So once you have the hole and that little plastic piece lined up, you're going to push that other pin through. You might need to wiggle it around a little bit. The other side of this pin, this one actually loops over onto itself. unlike the other ones that have a notch. And then, the front of the hook is secured to the base, so when you step on the four-wheeler and hit the reel in, it'll lift the plow up. But this is, let me do another quick part on this one to show you how this is connected. This is probably a little confusing, and if you had just bought like a used four-wheeler like I did, like I said, you might not know how it goes on, but it's worth revisiting, doing a close-up. So it looks like that. There's a notch right there. So you've got to swing this up, and then you got to loop that underneath just like that, and then the cable's going to go through that notch. You swing it down, and then you put the pin through that hole right there. Make sure everything's lined up. So on this plow you can also angle it too, and I'll show you how to angle the plow as well. To angle the plow, make sure your feet aren't under anything. You want to take the weight off the plow, bring it up in the air, and you just basically move the handle forward, and you can use your hand to push it into place. There's a few notches, a bunch of different settings, and you can angle it to the left, to the right, or straight, and it'll help push the snow in the direction you want it to go. So each side of the plow also has some adjustable feet, and there's a couple different notches in here. You can see them, so you can pull the pin out and set the blade height for however you want it. So if you go down, a couple notches on this one, make sure you get the same notches sticking out on this side as the other side. Obviously, you want to make sure both of these feet are the same height on both sides so that your plow isn't crooked. So hope you guys liked the video. If you have a question, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell so you get all of our latest uploads. You get a notification. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It'll help us out a ton. Thanks for watching, guys.